Maximize your earnings with AI, skills, investments, and strategies unveiled. Leveraging AI for financial growth opens a world of opportunities, irrespective of one's current skills and resources. This innovative approach allows individuals to tap into the burgeoning field of technology, transforming traditional income streams and creating new avenues for wealth creation. Understanding AI's potential for generating income is crucial in today's economy. It's not just about automation, it's about innovation and creating solutions that address real-world problems. By demystifying AI, individuals can uncover lucrative opportunities that were once thought to be out of reach. Identifying one's niche in the AI landscape is a pivotal step towards aligning skills and goals with AI opportunities. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or entertainment, understanding where your passion meets AI's capabilities can set the stage for success. Developing AI-based products and services requires a step-by-step approach, starting from ideation to execution. This process involves understanding the market needs, creating a viable product, and continuously iterating based on feedback, paving the way for successful AI ventures. Investing in promising AI companies is a smart strategy for those looking to diversify their portfolios with technology-driven assets. By carefully selecting companies with innovative solutions and strong growth potential, investors can reap significant returns in the rapidly evolving AI market. Algorithmic trading utilizes AI to make stock market decisions at speeds and volumes unattainable by humans. By analyzing vast datasets, AI predicts market trends, enabling investors to buy low and sell high, optimizing their financial gains efficiently. Freelancing in the AI domain offers a myriad of opportunities for tech-savvy individuals. From developing AI algorithms to managing data, skilled professionals can find projects that align with their expertise, providing a flexible and lucrative career path in the burgeoning AI field. Monetizing AI through content creation opens up new avenues for creators. By employing AI tools, one can generate unique articles, videos, and images, catering to a wide audience. This innovative approach allows creators to produce content at scale, driving up their earning potential. Building AI apps is no longer just for the tech elite. With the right idea and a basic understanding of AI, anyone can develop applications that solve real-world problems. These apps can be monetized through subscriptions, ads, or direct sales, providing a steady income stream. Educating the masses about AI presents a golden opportunity. With the demand for AI skills skyrocketing, offering courses and workshops can be highly profitable. By sharing knowledge and empowering others, educators can tap into this growing market, benefiting both financially and socially. Consulting in AI offers a lucrative opportunity for those with expertise in the field. By starting your own consultancy service, you can assist businesses in integrating AI technologies, optimizing operations, and enhancing decision-making processes, thereby finding a steady stream of clients in need of specialized knowledge. Optimizing financial resources with AI involves leveraging tools and strategies that analyze spending habits, investment opportunities, and saving options. AI can provide personalized advice, helping individuals and businesses make informed decisions that lead to significant financial growth and stability. The creative industry is increasingly adopting AI to produce innovative designs, music, and art. Artists and creators who incorporate AI into their work can tap into new markets and audiences, offering fresh, unique content that stands out, thus opening additional revenue streams. Navigating the legalities and ethics of monetizing AI is crucial. As you embark on AI ventures, understanding the legal frameworks, copyright laws, and ethical considerations ensures your projects not only comply with regulations but also respect privacy and data protection standards. Marketing your AI skills involves showcasing your expertise through personal branding and digital marketing strategies. By establishing a strong online presence, engaging with relevant communities, and demonstrating your AI successes, you can attract clients and opportunities in a competitive market. Networking and collaboration are pivotal in the AI community. Engaging with fellow enthusiasts and professionals can open doors to new projects, insights, and partnerships. It's through these connections that many find mentorship, share resources, and discover opportunities for growth and innovation. Success stories in the AI domain serve as powerful motivators. They not only inspire but also provide a roadmap for aspiring AI entrepreneurs. Learning from the journeys of those who have navigated the path of AI profitability can illuminate potential pitfalls and accelerators for one's own venture. Overcoming challenges and setbacks is a crucial part of the journey in AI entrepreneurship. Adaptability, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from mistakes are key traits for success. Every obstacle presents a learning opportunity and a chance to refine strategies and solutions. Staying abreast of future trends in AI is essential for maintaining a competitive edge. As the field evolves, identifying and understanding emerging technologies and market needs can position one ahead of the curve. This proactive approach ensures relevance and sustainability in a rapidly changing landscape. Resources and tools are invaluable for AI developers and investors. From AI programming frameworks to market analysis software, utilizing the right tools can significantly enhance productivity and decision-making. Keeping informed about the latest and most effective resources can be a game-changer in AI endeavors. Creating a business plan for leveraging AI involves a strategic blend of market research, identifying target audiences, and outlining potential AI solutions that address specific needs. This foundational step is critical for transitioning from a conceptual idea to generating income. It requires a thorough understanding of AI capabilities and a clear vision of how these technologies can be applied innovatively to solve problems or enhance existing services. In conclusion, embarking on the journey of earning more with AI is an exciting venture that combines creativity with technology. By following a structured approach to identify opportunities, develop AI-driven solutions, and effectively market these innovations, individuals can tap into the vast potential of AI. Taking action now, with a focus on continuous learning and adaptation, will position you advantageously in this rapidly evolving field. Join us on a journey to financial freedom by subscribing and liking for more life-changing wisdom.